I found a lovely hand-painted film by Len Lai. It reminds me a lot of my older work, so I'm using Adobe Premiere Elements to combine the two. I'm looking for the first cut that I'm going to make on this next clip, and I'm going to go click on Timeline, click on Split Clip, and that made my first cut. Now I need to move the marker again to find the end of the clip. And I like that. I'm going to use the scissor icon this time to make the second cut. I have to open up the larger segment on the scene line to find my newly cut clip. I clicked on that and moved it into position. I right-click on the transition box. I'm using stretch transitions because they work well with this project. Now I'm going to go up to the project folder and select my etching and move it into place. I don't want to use the whole image, so I'm going to resize and reposition it. I can do that by clicking on it and then moving it around, dragging it and stretching the sides. I can also go to Effects, click on Edit Effects, and if I click on the Motion menu, I can deselect constraints, and that will allow me to move the height and width independently of each other. So I'm going to move that to the position that I want, and I like that right there. Then I'm going to go to Image Controls. Click on that menu, and I'm going to change the saturation of the color. I'm trying to make it look more yellow so that it blends better with the film. I'm also going to change the contrast for that same purpose. Now, my etching is on screen for way too long, so I'm going to grab the timeline marker and pull it down to make the clip shorter, and that is the short of it.